What if I told you your phone already has AI tools that can manage your schedule, answer emails, organize your tasks, track bills, and automate parts of your life before you even finish your morning coffee? Most people still think AI is just ChatGPT. It's not. The average person wastes hours every week on repetitive digital tasks. Emails, scheduling, searching, reminders, admin work. Small things that slowly drain your focus and productivity. But AI automation can already handle a lot of it. The first tool is Notion AI, an AI productivity app that organizes notes, goals, projects, reminders, and daily planning in one place. It helps manage information automatically, like a digital assistant that never forgets. The second tool is Claude AI. You paste in confusing emails, documents, contracts, or messages, and it explains everything in simple English. What they want, what matters, and what to say back. Fast, simple, useful. Then there's Reclaim.ai, an AI scheduling assistant that protects time for work, sleep, exercise, and family automatically. It doesn't just organize your calendar, it protects your energy. And this next category matters more than people realize. AI healthcare and elderly care apps, medication reminders, appointment tracking, health monitoring, family alerts, real AI tools helping real people every day. And if you enjoy practical AI content like this, subscribe. Then there's AI finance apps like Monarch and Copilot. They track spending, detect subscriptions, monitor budgets, and show where your money is actually going. Some people save hundreds of dollars almost immediately just by seeing the patterns. And here's the truth about AI. This is not about laziness. It's about automation removing mental overload. Because when software handles repetitive tasks, you get your time and focus back. So tomorrow morning, pick one problem in your life: email, money, scheduling, organization. Choose one AI tool, spend 20 minutes setting it up, and you'll understand why this technology matters. If this video helped you discover useful AI tools, automation apps, or productivity software, subscribe. This channel is about real artificial intelligence tools that improve everyday life. No hype, no nonsense, just useful technology explained simply. And next week, I'll show you how complete beginners are using AI to make money online from home.